Today I'm going to talk about the importance of the micronutrient test and what makes it so unique compared to other testing out there for nutritional status. One of the things that we've discovered with the micronutrient test that when people come in with certain conditions, for example gastrointestinal problems, we see a particular pattern of nutrients that become deficient. When we look at a person that has cardiovascular disease or autoimmune diseases or even diabetes, we begin to see a lot of patterns develop compared to other testing out there. When you see these patterns, then we also go into scientific literature and look at if there's information out there on those particular nutritional deficiencies and those pathologies. And what we have discovered is that there is a vast amount of literature that correlates very well with the patterns that we have seen on the micronutrient test. Now, what's important about that is that not every time is the same pattern present. For example, with diabetes, we see common findings of deficiencies with chromium, magnesium, zinc, vitamin D3, and niacin. So a diabetic may come into your office and be deficient in two of those particular nutrients, where another diabetic comes in and is deficient in two other of those five common nutrients that are highly supported in the literature. So you can see that it's really a individual biochemical makeup that we're seeing with each of these patients, even though they are experiencing the same pathologies such as diabetes. And so once again, it's a unique process and it's a very unique testing procedure that has shown to be very important in really customizing your treatment plan for each of your patients.